Okay, so we came to a local park. I have one bar on my cell phone right now, and we're gonna install it real quickly and see what happens. But I just want to specify that this does not create signal that you don't already have. What it does is it boosts signal that you have, and you need to have at least one bar of signal for it to work. So if your phone is saying SOS or you absolutely have no signal, this is not going to help you. This is for when you have low signal and you want to make it better. So we're going to try it out. Okay, so I have a 12-volt plug back here, so we're going to take the power supply first. And you're supposed to put the outside antenna kind of far away from the inside antenna. Come on. So we'll put that in there. And then I'm just going to see how far up this goes. So we'll put that up in the middle of the car. And then our back antenna, I've already rolled down the back window. Like I said, I'm not installing this permanently right now because I don't know exactly how I'm going to build up my vehicle. So we'll stick that there for right now. And then I'm just going to run it through the window. You can shut these in the door. Probably when I get ready to do things permanently, I'll run it down the back of the trunk and see how that goes. So now I'm going to screw this cable on. This is the outdoor antenna, and it says outdoor. Can you see it? All right. And then we're going to take the indoor. See where it says indoor? We're going to put that on here. Screw that on nice and tight. All right, so for right now, I'm going to put this in the console right here. Can you get a picture of that? Okay. And then I'm going to come up front and grab the inside antenna. And for right now, and this is, remember, this has the hook and loop tape that you can put it somewhere. You could also get a sticky back tape, but for right now, I'm just going to put it right there. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of a speed test and see what we can find out. And it's not going to be powered until I turn the car on, because that's when the 12 volt will turn on. So I just now plugged it in to the front 12 volt plug because I figured out that the back plug, the plug in the back, stays on all the time. So what I did at the park really isn't a fair representation. So I've got 3 blue lights on. All right, so now I'm gonna zoom in. I'm sorry if this is shaky, but I'm doing this by myself here. All right, so I'm gonna unplug it. It's at 2 right now and it's plugged in. So I unplugged it and it's powered off. All right, we're at 2.